inches. We got the inches. We got the inches. Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel. So, hello. Y'all already saw the install, so we don't even have to get into that. Y'all already saw me installing the hair and the braid pattern and so forth and so on. But I wanted to come and talk a little bit about this hair before I go on vacation. And that's how y'all know I love y'all, because my flight is in like 4 hours. And I was like, let me sit down and record this video before I leave, because when I post these photos, people are gonna be like, ma'am, hello, what hair is that? So anyway, jumping right into it, the hair that I'm wearing today is the Zury lock braid, and it is their 26-inch faux locks, basically. They're faux goddess locks. So the packaging looks like this, and it comes in technically 2 textures. They have the loose wave and they have the deep curl. I actually used both deep curl and loose wave because I wanted a good mixture. I'm really short, but let me see if I can move the camera. I wanted a good mixture of both straight and curly hair. Y'all see the backpack? Y'all see the suitcase back there? It's not a game. But I wanted a good mixture of the different curl patterns at the bottom. So I did both loose wave and I did the curly hair. Back all the way up to show y'all just how long this hair is. Let me see. Y'all get into the waist though. So yeah, this hair is 26 inches and it goes all the way down to my butt, literally. So the first thing I will say about this hair that I absolutely love is how lightweight it is. Like, y'all know I haven't really done super long faux locks ever since I did those Senegalese twists back in like 2016, and they were super heavy on my head. I haven't tried to do any long like twists since then because I've just been too afraid. So I was like, this time around for my vacation, I really wanted some long hair. I'm going to Thailand, so I really wanted something that was, you know, exotic and fun. And so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go for it. I'm just gonna try out the long hair and see what happens. And I'm so happy I did, because this length, it looks really good. It's not too much, if that makes sense. That's the number one thing that I love, is the fact that it's super lightweight. Another thing that I love about this hair, obviously, is the curl pattern. I already showed y'all how it kind of looks at the bottom. Y'all know to get faux locks done or goddess locks done, it takes between, you know, 6 to 8 hours, if not longer, to get them done. So for me, this is a great alternative to get that same style without having to sit in the chair for a long time. It took me an hour to install these and it was awesome, okay? The next thing I love about this hair is the price point. Obviously, typically when you have 26-inch hair or hair that's longer than 18 inches, it's much more expensive. Like, we're talking $9.99, $12.99 a pack. However, this hair was only $7.99. As y'all can see here, I purchased this myself. I did not get this from anyone. So the hair was $7.99, and I think that's a really good price for the hair and the amount of hair that comes in each pack. Yeah, those are the kind of the really great things that I love about the hair. Now for the cons, I do have a few already just off of first impression. One of the main things that I did not like about this hair was the loop. Like, it was so difficult to open the loop up, and then when you opened it up, it just really messed up the form of the faux lock. I didn't really like that at all. Like, I really think they need to focus the next batch of these on like improving the loop. And a lot of times that has to do with them being handmade, so every single last one of them is different. But the packages that I had, I really struggled with getting, you know, my finger or a comb or anything through the loop to actually install the hair, which is very frustrating because it makes it a longer process. Next thing I would say about this hair is somewhat of a pro and a con. I guess it depends on who you are. For me, it was somewhat of a con just because of the styling that I wanted to do. So originally I planned to do, I planned to leave the perimeter of my natural hair out and then do individuals, so then that way I can pull the hair up and so forth. With this hair, you cannot do that. It's too soft. And you know, for some people, I think that's probably a good thing, and that's probably why the hair is so lightweight, because it is a very soft dread or faux lock. However, if you want to do individuals with this hair, I would not recommend it, just because when you do individuals, your natural hair could easily fall out of the actual faux lock, which defeats the purpose of a protective style. So with this, I definitely think that, you know, if you're looking for something to do individuals with, I would steer clear of this hair because it is extremely soft. It's so soft to the point where, I don't know if you guys have seen, a lot of times when I would wear the little turban up with the faux locks from my previous styles, with this hair, it's so soft that the turban just falls. Like, that's how soft the hair is. So that is something that's a little bit frustrating as well for me. I didn't really care for that. Last but not least, another con that I do have is you do need a lot of hair in order to do this style. It looks like a good amount in the package, but the reality of it is I typically use between 7 to 8 packs of hair. This time around I had to use 10. That's a lot of hair. And I'm not even sure I covered everything. Hopefully I covered everything, but I used 10 packs of hair. So keep that in mind. Definitely get some extra packs because I only purchased 8. And so I had to end up running out to the store with like parts of my hair out because I didn't have enough hair. So definitely something else to keep in mind if you do decide to purchase this hair. I definitely think I like the hair thus far. Obviously, when I go on vacation, I will definitely let y'all know when I'm back what my final thoughts are with this hair because, you know, it'll be under all type of conditions over there. Yeah, I just wanted to show y'all this before I left, and I really hope y'all like this hair. As you can see, I did add some little accessories here. Nothing special about the accessories. They came from the beauty supply store, so you could probably find them at your local beauty supply store as well. But yeah, cuteness. If you are new to my channel, definitely do not forget to like this video and also subscribe to my channel and come back. We always love protective styles over here, so definitely want to have you come back and see me. And if you are a returning supporter, definitely thank you so much for continuously supporting me. I love you guys. And until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.